Hello learners! Today we are going to work on lesson 10.6 of our big question packet on money. So let's start by doing our 10.6 do now. If you have that, why don't you pull that out and complete it? If you don't, take this time to pause this video so that you can count my coins and dollars on the screen. Okay, now that everybody should have that done, we're going to look, excuse me, and we're going to count our bills first, like we learned in 10.5, and then we'll count our coins. So do I count from 1 to 10 or from 10 to 1? Good, 10 to 1. So 10 plus 5 is 15, 16. So I have 16. Then I have my dot or my decimal point. I'm going to count my coins from highest to lowest. So we have 10, 20, 30. And then I will count 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So I have $16.38. If you don't have that answer correct on your do now, why don't you fix that while I clear off my board and get ready for the lesson. Okay. So today we're going to talk about exchanging dollars for cents and cents for dollars. So when we see money amounts written like this, we say the dollars first and then the cents. So we would say $10.80. If we saw this amount written, we would say 74 cents because there's no dollars. We wouldn't say $0.74. We could just say 74 cents. And let's look at one more. How would we say this one? Good, $84.91. Anything to the left of the decimal point will be our dollars. Anything to the right of the decimal point will be our cents. Okay? Great. So we know that 100 cents equals $1. We learned that the other day. So now, what if I told you 200 cents equals $2? What would you think 300 cents would equal? Right, $3. Good. Now, what if I had 305 cents? Let's look. We put 3300000. So let's see. $3.05. So I just put that decimal point in 2 from the right. Okay. So I'm going to leave that top one up there so that we can reference it if we need it. So 1 cent is written as 1 cent like this, $0.01. 14 cents is written like this. Okay? I will put a decimal point, so that's my dot. I'll spell it for you, decimal point. A decimal point before the last 2 digits. So 1, 2, decimal point. 1, we know if nothing's there, it's a 0. 2, decimal point. Okay? Let's do a little practice. 47 cents equals what? 84 cents, 340 cents, and then a challenge, 10,000 cents. So we know we put the decimal point when I'm converting cents to dollars. I will put the decimal point before the last two digits. So 1, 2. So I know my decimal point needs to go before my last two. 1, 2. I can do it like this. Write it there. 1, 2. Then I know I just put that 0 because we have $0 there. Let's look at 340 cents. Here are my last two digits. And I know I'm going to put my decimal point. I'm going to put it there just so that I can see it. Oh, that is where I'm going to put it. $3.40. Okay, so this is a big number, but let's not get tripped up by it. We still follow that same rule. I will put the decimal point before the last two digits. So I know my decimal point's going to go there. So when I write it, I have a 1, 0, 0. Then I have my decimal point and two more zeros. 10,000 cents equals $100. And we can do it the other way as well. Just like I can convert cents to dollars, I can convert dollars to cents. So if I say I have $4.72, that's the same as saying we're just taking that decimal point away. 427 cents. What about $5.23? Right, we're just going to take that decimal point away and write 523 cents. What about $26.41? Just take that decimal point out. 2,641 cents. Okay? That's all we're doing, either adding it in after the last two digits, or we're taking it out and we're adding, but you have to make sure when you're doing it into cents, you put that cent sign or you put that dollar sign. Okay? Your independent practice today is just exactly what we just did. This is taking dollars and converting it into cents. And this is taking cents and converting it into dollars and cents. So make sure here you have the cent sign after the number. Here you have the dollar sign before the numbers and the decimal point before the last two digits. Let me or Miss Williams know if you have any questions.